Good morning, practice owners. Welcome back to the Monday Motivator, where we give you bite-sized tips to bring you one step closer to living the elite practice lifestyle that you deserve. With that, let's get to our question and see what advice our expert has to offer us today. A lot of veterinary practice owners feel that they're at capacity and it's stalling their progress. It's especially true for single doctor owners. So what's one easy step they can take to enable them to face the daily challenges of ownership with less stress?
Well, that's a great question. So, my advice would be to remember, as hard as it is, to take short breaks throughout the day. And the breaks could be used to step away from the work, take a deep breath, stretch, or even go for a short walk. And this can really help reduce the physical and mental strain that can, of course, accumulate throughout a very long, stressful shift. I'd also say that by doing so allows you to decompress, to clear your mind and return, of course, to the tasks, whatever that might be, because we know we're juggling a lot and we're doing more with less. With increased focus and energy, it's essential that we take care of ourselves first. And remember that it's not a selfish act, but a necessary act to be able to provide the best care for your furry friends, the pet parents, and of course maintain that healthy well balance for yourself. Additionally, I would say just thinking ahead, implementing stress management techniques, and we all hear it, maybe mindfulness, meditation, yoga, and laughter. Laughter is such a good thing. It's such great medicine to complement the breaks that you're taking. There's so many great apps out there. You can certainly look them up. Calm.com is one most frequently used, as is Headspace. So those are really good. And of course, maybe try some others to explore. And finally, make sure to communicate. Open the lines of communication with your team and actually do a health check, so to speak, not just on yourself, but also in your team. Chances are that if you're feeling a little bit disconnected or at capacity, that they are too. So seek opportunities to, provide access to health and mental resources that can be beneficial in addressing any concerns of burnout or fatigue. I hope that's helpful. Until next time.
We thank you for sharing your expertise with us today, and I look forward to hitting you up again next week for more actionable advice. We'd also like to extend an invite to our listeners to follow us on Facebook to keep this conversation going. That's it for today. We'll see you next Monday.